What's up, guys? Today we're playing Down This World again. And today I'm trying to unlock. I'm trying to unlock Tisha. Thanks for agreeing, dude. I'm trying to get Twisted Tisha because I can't afford Twisted Scrap just to get good. I'm still trying to get the research though. So hopefully you enjoy and let's get right into the video. First of all, I'm just gonna join matchmaking. Okay, now that's done. We're gonna... Okay, found match. We're gonna use my favorite person. Guys, it's Toodles Good. Toodles Good. Let me know in the comments down below. But my favorite guy is Finn. I was using him in the lobby. Yeah, that's my favorite character. Wait, huh?
You don't even have.
Why am I a main? Oh, I thought I was a main. Well, I'm ready. Yay, we have a Goob, my favorite character. Oh, no, Goob's my first favorite character. Wait, no, favorite distractor. Finn is my favorite extractor. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Ready up. Oh my god. By the way, these are all my... Oh. What's this? The attack. We didn't even get to read it. No. Well, I guess that's the free trinket for joining the community. I'm a bit faster than Tisha though. Wait, I have... What's the research capsules? Oh. There's Twisted. Just gonna skip floor 1. It's gonna be boring. Okay. We're in the last in the last yeah. Everybody to the elevator. So I really can't walk this way. No, I forgot about the research capsules. It doesn't matter now. Run! Yeah, I forgot to put my volume. We're in floor 2. Okay, guys, we're in floor 2. Stack. Master or something. I need to get the tape to get Juke Shrimpo. Get Ankle Breaker. Oh! Close. Now that's easy. Why are you bringing her to me? Why? I wasn't talking to you, bro. Ultimate duo. Shrimpo hates everyone. I know. Isn't that obvious already? Almost got lost. Oh! ugly. You're ugly like Mowgli. Get. Oh. Oh, why did I use my Why did I use my medkit? Why did I use my medkit? He knows it. He knows that I used the medkit. Man, frick you. Get him, not me. Frick you. Go. Wait, did I get the research capsules? No, I'm missing one. It wouldn't hurt anymore, right? Would it hurt? Never mind, it would actually. So close. Brother, get in! We're four. We started at 7, I think, because of gold bonus. I'll skip to when it's floor 3. Okay, floor 3. Where is the research capsules? Get out. Is the research capsule? Okay, so it's Brescia and Louis. Sweet. Oh. The rest, I don't know. Oh no! I'll skip the when it's floor 4. Skip the when it's floor 4. Ah! Yes, I made it. Floor 4. Sweet, I managed to get a medkit from Dandy's shop. Just like I said, I'll skip. I forgot to turn on my camera. It's still floor 4. This is not to get pushed out. I'll keep going until I die. Really? You're weak as hell. I'm not weak, I can one-shot you. Nice strategy. Skip to his floor 5. Bro, a blackout. Now it's I'm gonna die. There's a med kit. There's a band-aid, bro. I don't need instructions. I know how to play the game. Skipping is floor 7. No, I died though. Really cool.